Hello, my friend. My name's Lily. Welcome to my channel, Lily Bird Time. In this video, I will share with you the best fresh and pretty ways to get your home ready for spring. Let's begin. Number 1. Let in the air and the light. Everyone enjoys the sparkling clean windows and window screens. This is one of the most important when you are ready to make your house feel like spring. If your curtains are heavy and dark, consider switching light curtains for spring and summer, combined with the blinds for good night's sleep. Number 2. Add a white or cream color. White and cream are bright, cheerful, and go with everything. Anytime you can add a touch of them, that room will feel lighter and happier. Number 3. Get something growing. Spring means growing above all else, and your home should reflect that. You can start garden plant inside, get a house plant, or buy some small herb plants and keep them on a sunny windowsill. Number 4. Do some spring cleaning. Spring cleaning is a tradition for a reason. From ashy fireplace to muddy shoes, spring decluttering and cleaning is necessary to get rid of those messes and bring a light and fresh energy to your home. Spring is a perfect time to clean the hood fan filters. After the long winter, especially busy cooking for holidays, your range hood filters can get clogged with grease, and the air in your kitchen won't circulate correctly. Cleaning out the pantry is one of those home tasks that isn't fun, but is always rewarding. Go through all those foods that you know you will never really eat and just throw them out. Organize what's left and start stocking your pantry with things you will really use for the season. This is one of the best parts of saying goodbye to winter. Give the mudroom a good scrubbing and clear out the coat closet. Clearing out all that winter stuff is a great way to make room for a new season, mentally and physically. Number 5. Floral touches. Flowers have a positive impact on your health. If you can grow your cutting flowers or simply cut some blooming branches, your home will look like spring instantly. Fall floral branches or wreaths can add floral elements to your home. Number 6. Check the smoke alarms. While you are eager to get outside, spring is also the perfect time to check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Hopefully, you found this list of ways to prepare for spring encouraging and exciting. Enjoy the season. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.